recently in our members area, so back into here, let's just scrolly down. I just put a link up to an image that I got, which was a great one. Here it is. So here it is, a nice example of a follow-up email to solicitor review. So that's something that I got from this company called Movo. So I purchased something from Amazon. They put everything into there, and so I posted it up so you could have a look at it. And that's a great example of a product owner soliciting a review from me, all right? So that happens. Also, Amazon continually solicits reviews as well. They do that all the time for most products that they sell. So they will also be soliciting reviews as well. So you should do that too. You should be soliciting reviews from your customers. Now, in Australia, that is right now, at least, a manual process. So you must manually ask for reviews. And that's pretty easy to do. And I'll lay out exactly how to do that in the training. But if you sell outside of Australia, USA, UK, etc., then what I use is this Feedback Genius, and that automates your emails that you send out to your customers. It automates that service and means that your customers get their emails. And I typically send out 2 to 3 emails to solicit a review from my customers, okay? So use Feedback Genius to do that if you are outside of Australia. If you're in Australia, then right now you have to do it manually, but that's no big deal. That's no big hardship. But I am reliably informed that Feedback Genius is going to be integrating into Amazon Australia very, very soon. So you'll be able to start using Amazon Oz too, which is cool. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.